So this is a basic question about clinical trial design. It's a great one that you ask about placebo control. Many people who think about clinical trials harbor some, I think, widespread misunderstandings about them. It is true that in the past and in some situations there will be a so-called placebo control. I want to be really clear, though, about when that's used and why. That's only used when there's no known effective therapy, and even the experimental therapy is not yet known to have value. And often it's used in combination with other drugs. For example, a patient might get an active drug and the placebo at the same time, or the same active drug and something novel to see if the novel agent makes a difference. The fear that somebody's being harmed by treatment on a placebo is something that really does, I think, hold back clinical trials accrual at times. And we have to be very, very clear that the ethics behind clinical trials wouldn't allow us to ever harm somebody that way. So we don't need to worry about it. All right? Thanks. Edith.
Yeah, if I may, just very briefly, as part of this clinical trial, we're not only trying to deliver the chemotherapy in a better way to achieve higher levels of the chemotherapy while minimizing toxicity, but this is accompanied by a lot of what we call translational work. And one of the studies, we're looking at gene profiles, whether we can figure out who's most likely to benefit from the different treatments. And we're also incorporating evaluation of biological markers in circulating tumor cells that are in the blood system of patients. Again, trying to find better ways to understand, who might benefit from one therapy versus another.
Great.